what brings more money to a pharma company will never bring more money to all of you. Now, this is my analysis after talking to several pharma professionals and pharmaceutical company owners. Now, let me give you an example. Formulation and development brings a lot of money to pharma companies. But do you know what is the average salary of people in formulation and development? 20 to 25,000 rupees, right? Of course, managerial level will be higher. I'm not saying that that's not there. But it is a mass employment generator, but giving you low salary. But let's come to the next step. What will give you more salary, better employment opportunities in the pharma industry is something where you are the only professional. That means you have to be in demand, right? So there are 4 to 5 techniques if you learn, that is going to shoot up your demand. And now, I'm not saying right now, it will shoot up your demand for the next 10 years, okay? Of course, 10 years later, that field might saturate, but in 10 years, you will be a specialist, right? You will be the chief scientist. So if you start today, you will be number one in the next 10 years. Now, what are those fields? Number one is fixing the cancer-causing genes, and that is where CRISPR comes into picture. So if you have interest in pharmacology, you can jump there. Now, the next side would be AI in drug design. You see, healthcare is the biggest mystery for humanity, right? And we have somehow solved it through drugs, but there is a slow process of drug discovery. What if you could solve that using AI? That is where designing smarter drugs faster and cheaper at scale, drug screening, drug repurposing, all of that, if you can learn, that's going to be a game changer. Now you see, these are not mass employment generators. These are specialized jobs which pay you high. Okay, whatever is a mass employment generator will be always lesser salary. The third one which I have is digital therapeutics. You see, pharma professionals will be working on softwares that will support treatment. Software solutions which will analyze data in real time from the patients and pass it on to the doctors. This is a new age job, digital therapeutics. You can also learn that on our platform. Then we have precision diagnostics. See, earlier it was a regular, detection, okay, X-ray and MRI and all of that. A disease which has not happened can also be predicted. So we are shifting from a reactive healthcare to a predictive healthcare and preventive healthcare. And pharma professionals are going to be in the center of this revolution as well. Then we have personalized dosing. Now let's look at this. We used to, or even today, we go to the medical shop, he gives me a medicine after seeing my prescription, and now I am taking, right? Now, did I take? How much I took? All of that data, if all of that is going in real time to the clinician, they can design our regimen better. There's so much more scope for pharma professionals. All you have to do is study, implement, grow. All the best.